All right, wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information as the hot. In case you have not joined our social media handle, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join us because they know they use money to join this thing. You don't shell plenty information there for my table as the hot. The information will be said there for my table. They say Mazi Simon Ekpa don't blast ohanezendigbo, call them on their cars on them po and then their war. He said the Ohaneze them been on their cars on them po and on their war. Say they know everything will be said they happen for the southeast, but they no one talk the one will be truth. And I waiting Oga Eba the talk. He say the Ohaneze they know everything. They say get some secret things. Wey be say the politicians they do for southeast too, they carry and they put on top in head, they carry and they put on top IPOB head. See the Ohaneze know am, but now because say they don't collect ngari from behind, you know wetin be ngari na bribe. Say they don't collect small money for back, now why they go see white, they go call am black. If they see black, they go call am white. Now wetin Oga Simon Ekpa dey talk say why elders wey be say dem dey for town no go talk the truth make town better. Say na dem come dey spoil things because of small money wey be say dem dey receive from the Fulani politicians. Him say the elders see wetin dem dey do, that thing wey be say dem dey do no good. Say one day breeze go blow, they go see nyash bomb, go see chicken bomb, you know, they go see chicken nyash. So now wetin Oga Ekpa dey talk, say all this Ohaneze wey be say small time they go run go Abuja, say they know wetin dey happen for southeast, so say they understand fully. Say they even say na them wey no wan make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comot for there, because they dey fear say if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comot for there now and somehow him come break through, because you know say as they come carry am go prison now, him come out, everybody go dey ask am, the world leaders go invite am and they go dey ask am in mind, they go wan know his experience and the rest of the thing, and all the information wey be say you don gather inside there, people go wan know am. And if he be say as they dey ask am, the world fit support say make Biafra come sharp whether Nigeria like it or not. So na wetin Simon Ekpa dey talk, say na the reason why wey be say ndị Ohaneze ndị elders say dem be ndị arụrụ ala o. Say na wetin make dem say they no wan release Ohamadike, one of Ndigbo, from the DSS detention there, because they know say if the man come out quick, the Biafra wey be say they don dey look for long time ago, say the thing fit shele even within the space of 2 weeks, for 1 month, because as e dey now, say Nnamdi Kanu don carry big information and him don become world figure, even though say him be world figure before, because of the thing wey be say happen, him say na why these people no wan make it come out. So wetin in the talk be say the thing wey be say dey happen for southeast, say Ohaneze know am, they know wetin dey sup, they know the mpona wey be say they do. They know where they put their hand. Now because of small money, na why they no wan protect their people. Now why Simon Ekpa dey talk say make Ohaneze make they shine their eye, say make they remember the things wey be say it don't happen to their other brothers, people like wetin they call am, Dave Umai, the one wey been dey Ebonyi State. So many of them wey be say they go betray their brother, people like Amochi them. Say you know see how them life come be now. Say may they be careful, because as kwana egbu dike na ogun no, mbosi ogu is emegini chobakwa dike. So now wetin dey sup, him don fire the Ohaneze, call them on their roala, call them on them po and their. Another information wey be say they reach us, they say they don't discharge the that the Labour Party candidate wey be say he charge Peter Mba of Enugu State for NYSC certificate forgery. They saw the man don't drop the case, so e be like say they don't give the man bullion van. You know as e dey be for Naija. If you see truth talk am, the next thing wey they go do be say they go give you money back. And once the money bag enter your hand, my brother, you go forget the case, so and once you forget the case, that's what they view. So you be like say they don't find the man. They don't find the man. What did they call her? They don't find the man with small money. The man say you better make you collect money. Oh, as come here, yabana reggae. Make you bubiri all you know. So it be like say the man want bubiri in here though. Make the thing end there. Oh. I see the hot, make I carry you go for another news. They say Masob don't slam ohanezendigbo. You know, don't see him. Say as it happen, everybody they talk against ohanezendigbo now. It be like say this thing where they talk about ohanezendigbo not true. Because these people no they even put they say the leadership of the movement of the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra Masob has carpeted the Southeast Security meeting held at the instance of the ohanezendigbo and Southeast governors on the current security situation in the zone recently. Leader of Masob, Uchenna Mado, in a statement ruled out a possibility of the meeting yielding a positive result without discussion on how to release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Masob, while describing the meeting as a charade, maintained that it does not repose any confidence in the present leadership of Ohaneze to discuss the security issues in the southeast. Madu said the leadership of ohanezendigbo that stood firmly for justice and fought for the interests of Ndigbo was during the administration of Chief Nene Anwodo. His successor, the late Professor George Obiozo-led administration, was grossly compromised with personal political interest. Even his current successor, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, is yet to convince Ndigbo that he would not compromise the dignity and high esteem nature of Ndigbo. Organizing a Southeast Security Summit that involved the same politicians that fueled the insecurity in Igbo land will not solve the problem. Leading the so-called Igbo political, religious, and traditional leaders to Alhaji Bola Tinubu in Abuja will never solve the insecurity in the Southeast region. Only the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whom Nigeria Federal High Court has already discharged from DSS custody, will solve the insecurity question in the Southeast region. When I don't see the hot, everybody don't they talk the same thing. Even myself, people will be say, I guess sometimes we will say, you look as if they collect small money, go rest. But as it is up now, everybody, it don't happen to everybody. I see on Malala. So I see they share for them, they share for everybody. So now in the one say, you go better, make them talk the one. Make they talk the one will be true before something go happen to them. So I don't know why Ohanezendigbo has decided to be beaten around the bush. Why not speak to this is one thing I love about the Northerners. They are not afraid of anybody. They are not afraid of the president. They are not afraid of the governor. They are not afraid of anybody. They speak their mind because they believe in Igwebike. And Igwebike is for them. Now, the Igbo politicians have never yet understood this Igwebike of a thing. This proverb was provided by their forefathers, but they are yet to understood the meaning of Igwebike. If it were to be Northern people by now, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were to be a Northerner by now, Kanu must have been released because they will all come together and speak in one mind. Yeah, but this one, after the meeting, the governor of Enugu State will call the president and say, I just attended the meeting, I have to fulfill all righteousness. And everybody's looking for favor from the president, forgetting that you are there to serve your people. Forgetting that when all of you are together, there is nothing the president can do than to obey what you people have agreed. Makano ofonye ade meliora. As no naga ofonye selor risia, manora selo ofonye otodie nonunu. So let Ohanezendigbo wake up and stop all this greedale that they have been into in order to make things work out in this state. Meanwhile, I'll be winding down the curtain here, and if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel.